YouTube. It's currently like 8:15. We got up a bit early. I thought we're going to Aling-Aling waterfall today, which I'm so excited about because you can slide down the waterfall like a water slide. There's cliff jumps there, like it will just be so much fun. We woke up and it is raining, so I hope it clears up. But luckily, I thought it was at 9 o'clock we meet. Luckily, the man called me, saying like, oh, what time are you coming? I was like, well, I'm pretty sure it says 9. He was like, no, come at 10. So we've got some time to chill before, got some time to have breakfast. And hopefully it gives time for the rain to clear up. It is a 25-minute drive, so maybe it might be a little bit better over there. Yeah, so I just had my morning coffee, and then I'll probably have another coffee and some cereal before we go. It's currently like 10 to 9. I'm gonna have my cereal. We've got a honey crunch today. We've got no pots, so I'm gonna have to have it in this. Or they've got like plastic dishes or like some weird round containers that I picked up and smelled. It just smells like Indonesian food. I like Indonesian. I don't like it. I'll get the point. It made me feel funny. So we're having a cup and I'm not going to smell it. And then my ultra milk.
Oh. Oh. One, jump!
Hey YouTube, I'm not feeling very well. I had an amazing day. And I'm gonna add all the clips. Really bad after. We went and got food and then we come back and I had a nap. And I just feel shit still, like I've got a headache and like I just feel really I think I've burnt myself, so I think I might be a bit of heat stroke. Also, loads of water going up my nose after all the activities today gave me a headache, made me all foggy and stuff. Also brushed my teeth with the tap water this morning because we had no water, so it could be everything. Jack's making me go out for food. So after that, yesterday we went out for food. Then we went somewhere for dessert, I believe, and we just come back and chilled. It was a really good morning, but then I had a really bad rest of the day, and it's the next day now and I still feel awful, and I don't know, I must have landed so wrong. I think in the actual waterfall slide I've like landed, or like the pressure of the water smacks my head so much that my neck feels like I've pulled every single muscle in my neck today and there's so much pain. So again, I think I'm not filming today because it's going to be, well, it's already like 1:30 or whatever and I haven't done anything apart from gone out for food. Might push myself to go to the beach, have a swim. I feel like that might help my neck. but Jack's not feeling too good either, so he's just laying in bed all day, I think. So it was really fun, but I do feel awful today for it. But memories of a lifetime. You win some and you lose some. I'll see you on the next fun day, YouTube.